Here's a Sunbeam analog electric alarm clock. Probably from the 60s or 70s. I don't know when exactly. But anyway, here's a short video of it, I guess. Here's the side. Here's the back. It's a model B001. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to be for. 115 volts, 60 cycles. So if it's 60 cycles, it's from the 60s. 2 watts. Sunbeam Corporation, Chicago, USA. In Toronto, Canada. Alarm, push and turn, time, pull and turn. UL listed. That's something you don't see very often anymore. Got it for $4 at Goodwill. The bottom, nothing on there really. The other side. Haven't got a chance to clean it up yet, but it should clean up pretty good, I think. So, see if I can do this. Get the alarm to go off again. That was interesting. Gotta go back around the horn here. Gosh, this is not easy. This thing's from the 60s. It's my oldest clock I ever had. Ever. Which is not a bad thing. Give it a second. It should go off around 12 o'clock, I think. Yes. There's your alarm. And then you push that back in to shut it up. And there's your little thing. It's not easy to do one-handed by any means. You can still kind of hear it going off. You hear the motor noise. Very silent little motor. And there it is. A Sunbeam analog alarm clock from the 60s. You don't see that very often. So, thanks for watching.